This is question number 11 from textbook, where we have to find the principal values for the following, that is tan inverse 1, cos inverse minus half, sin inverse minus half. I can say I've split them into three parts. I'm going to take tan inverse x, say, let this be x, cos inverse minus half as y, and say, let sin inverse minus half as z. So clearly you should know that there the x is, you can see the principal value branch for tan is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So here x must belong to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 non-inclusive, and y, which is cos. So cos inverse ranges 0 to pi. So where y should belong to 0 to pi inclusive. So I'll be writing this 0 to pi. And for sine inverse, the principal value branch, the range is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So clearly we'll be writing this as z as minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 inclusive. Now, if tan inverse x is equal to, tan inverse 1 is equal to x, so clearly tan x is equal to 1. So I can further write tan x is equal to, I can replace 1 with tan pi by 4. That's 45 degree. So we got x. And x we got as, the value of x we got as pi by 4. Coming to the next part. This is cos inverse minus half. So clearly cos y will be minus 1 by 2. And cos is negative in the fourth quadrant. So I'll be writing this as cos. Fourth quadrant is pi minus, right? Fourth quadrant is this, and this is pi. So it's pi minus. And half is cos half. So cos half is pi by 3. So this is pi by 3. So clearly cos y is equal to, or we can say y is equal to pi minus pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3. So we'll say that we got y here, and y is 2 pi by 3. Coming to the next part, where z. So this is, I can write sine inverse minus half is z. So sine z is equal to minus half, and sine is negative. Sine is negative, and this is the principal value branch for this, and it will be negative over here. All right. So we'll write simply that sine z is equal to sine minus pi by 6. So therefore, z, we can say that z is equal to minus pi by 6. Now, once we got the value of x, y, z, clearly we have to add these three. So replacing cos inverse 1 with x and the value of x plus y plus z. So x, which is pi by 4, y, which is 2 pi by 3, and z, which is minus pi by 6. So the LCM for this is 12. 4, 3 times is 12. So this is 3 pi. 3, 4 times 4 into 2 is 8. So this is 8 pi. 6, 2 times is 12. 12 into 6, 2 times, and 2 into pi is 2 pi. So 3 plus 5, 3 plus 8 minus 2, that is 9 pi, which is equal to 9 pi by 12, which can be reduced as 3 pi by 4. So we'll say that is the value for this, that is 3 pi by, this is equal to 3 pi by 4.